These are all the items I'm going to use to make the marinade for these individual pork ribs. I figure instead of cooking the piece whole, this gets a nice coating, and then I'll put them on a double rack, get them high away from the pan so I won't have to turn them. Anyway, let me make this mixture, which I've never done before. So first I have to a little bit more of something, and when I'm done, the amount will be on the description of the video. Go about putting the marinade in a Ziploc bag without spilling any of it. It's going to be in big trouble. I'm going to get the rest out with a little spatula. And then one by one, and these are going to stay in the refrigerator until tomorrow. I'm going to put them on a rack and cook them slow. And that's what I'm going to do. So that's what we have here. Mix it up, shake it a little bit every couple of hours, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. It's time, this is the next day, to get these ribs out of here, put them on the, and what I did was, I put a double rack, because even though it's convection, it doesn't really, the air really doesn't get underneath. So I put it on a large pan, and I'm pretty sure the heat will get underneath, so I don't have to turn these babies. And setting the timer for 1 hour. And it's going into a 300-degree convection oven setting on roast. So that's it. Going in now for 1 hour. This is after 1 hour. So of course, I'm gonna have to lower the flame because they're beautiful right now. So I lowered it to 250, the same setting, but at 250. We'll do it for another half hour. Let's see what happens. Well, this is it, exactly an hour and a half. Tender, looking good, and I hope you enjoy it.